In accordance with the user-centered design, the Managed Learning section is unique for each role. The Super Administrator's Managed Learning screen is as below. Add learners. From this screen, the Super Administrator can add any users, that's learners, managers, fellow administrators, etc., into the system. Learners can be added by importing the data from your current HR database via the Import Users button, or by entering the information manually via the Add User button. Users can be imported from a number of different data standards and software packages. When importing, make sure the data is entered into the same format as the provided template, keeping the headers matching those provided. A disable list, once imported, will disable those users so they no longer appear in the system. Matas is a software package for handling employee learning records, which is a unique data structure. This template allows administrators to import data from that system. ILR, or Individualised Learning Record, is the UK Government XML standard for importing or exporting trainee records. This is a very detailed standard with hundreds of data fields. Check managers. Coach trainers, tutors, teachers or managers are assigned to learners here. It is important that learners are assigned to someone to oversee their work and offer guidance. Any unassigned personnel can be accessed via the Add Learners to Trainers button. The number on the button in red is the number of such learners which need to be assigned. The grid itself alerts the Super Administrator to when each manager last logged in and the number of employees for which they are responsible. Pressing the Add or Remove button allows the manager to add or remove learners from their charge. Assign learning. Learners need to be assigned learning resources. The grid allows the Super Administrator to search for learning resources and select multiple learning resources. These will appear on the selected learning bar at the bottom of the first table. Once selected, scroll down to select departments, groups and employees to add to the selected learning. Learning resources. All learning resources will have been made available in the system are listed in this table. Note, depending upon the license, nearly 200 business-focused learning courses are currently available via the Install Learning from the Supplier Library button. Check with eLearning WMB for details as to your rights to use this content. This list of resources can be added to by importing content, for instance, e-learning packages from a third supplier or YouTube video, creating learning using Jackdaw Cloud, or scheduling offline learning events such as classrooms or on-the-job training, available in Apprentix and Open Elms TMS. This is a copy of the functionality found in the Learning Library. This is the orange toolbar button at the top right of the screen if you have access to it. Manage bookings. Bookings for classroom sessions, for instance, will often require signing off from the Super Administrator. This can also be done by coaches or trainers. Here such sessions are listed, which require approval, enabling these courses to proceed. Review. This shows the reporting functionality within the system. Here reports can be accessed and created. Report queries can also be used for downloading data for exporting to Excel, etc., or setting up email reminders based on search criteria. This is a copy of the functionality found by clicking on the Review green button on the top right-hand toolbar, should you have access to it.